You might have to let some people know, like, this is here for all my guests. All. Okay? Not you, just you. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chawnta and this is Tutt Tips. So today I'm going to show y'all ways to prepare for your holiday guests, your overnight guests, and you can use these ideas not only for your holiday guests, but for any guests you have throughout the year. So stay tuned for these tips, inspiration, and ideas to impress your holiday guests. We're going to start with a guest basket, y'all. So you're going to put together a guest basket. It doesn't matter how big, how small, how luxury, how budget friendly. You're going to put this in your guest bathroom or the guest bedroom, and you want to put all the items that you think the guests might need that they may not have room to pack to bring along with them, or items that they may forget at home. Now, I did do a video of a guest basket I put together for my own guests. You can check that video out. I'll put the link in the description and in the comments for you, just to give you some ideas. But some of the ideas, some of the things that I did put in the baskets were shampoo, lotion, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, and you can get fancy with it and have a basket for the males and have a separate basket for the females. And you can label the basket something cute. You can just put guest on the basket or give it a little fancy name. So check out that video. It's in the same playlist as this video. I have a lot of guests that come through and they forget maybe their scarf at home, shower cap, toothbrush, things like that. And you know you have those guests that travel by plane or they're driving to you, so there's certain items that are not allowed on the plane. So this helps out a lot that way, so when they get here they don't have to go out shopping for little things. I don't have a guest room now because both of my kids have their own separate rooms, so I just keep it in my closet and I can just pull it out and place it on the bed, or if your guest bathroom is big enough, place it on the counter in your bathroom, and it's just a little something extra to make them feel welcome. Another way you can prepare for your holiday guests is to make sure you have enough food containers, y'all. So this may sound like over the top, but there was this one time I just went to a party of one of my friends, and there was some leftovers. She was just like, take a plate, it's so much food. So she gave us one of it was a glass container. Now I'm not giving out that. But I do have little plastic containers. But if you got it like that, you can go that route. She had it like that, y'all. So she gave us, the little glass containers with the little tops, which are just the little tops with the clasp on there and stuff. The ones you use. Well, she threw some food in there and let us keep that. And I was just like, okay, girl. But what I do is when we order takeout and things like that, how, like, say for instance, Chinese places, how they give you the egg drop soup in those little bowls or whatever, they always give you those plastic containers. I clean those, keep those, and when we have guests over and we send them off on their road trip back, they have snacks and food in the car and things like that. It just really comes in handy. Now next is you can provide your guests with a bathrobe. This is an excellent idea if you don't have the bathroom, a guest bathroom connected to the guest bedroom, or say your guest bathroom is downstairs or vice versa and things like that. You can even get even fancier with this idea and personalize the robe and have take it to a personalization store and have them put guests on the robe and keep it in the bedroom or bathroom for your guests. But anyway, I think guests would love and appreciate that special touch. And make sure you have a place for them to hang the robe. Now, I've been to some places and they don't have, it's very inexpensive to go pick up the little over the door hooks. So you can get that for your bathroom if you don't have enough towel hooks or spots in the guest bedroom or the bathroom. So make sure you pick up one of those along with the little robe. And it doesn't have to be anything as expensive. Like I said, with any of these ideas that I'm giving y'all today, you can get as fancy with them or as budget friendly with them as you want. So if you have a little extra cash, pick up a little guest robe for your guests. And not for them to take home for them. You know, hopefully they don't think that's the gift for them to take with them. But you might have to let some people know, like, this is here for all my guests, all, okay, not you, just you. Okay. All right, y'all. The next one, very simple. Pick up some fresh flowers to place in the guest room, anywhere in your home where the guests are going to be, mostly where the guest is going to hang out at. It could be your porch, the bathroom, the guest bathroom, wherever you like. Pick up some fresh flowers. This will elevate the mood in your home, make them feel instantly like they're on a vacation. It'll give your space positive energy. All right, y'all. If you enjoyed these tips and ideas, please give me a thumbs up before you leave and check out one of these other videos that's going to pop up on the screen. Check out my Instagram and Facebook pages because sometimes there's tips on there that I don't put on here and vice versa. So make sure you subscribe. Once you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified and not miss out on any of my tips.